I'm gonna make this quick because I actually hate making these kinds of videos and I'd rather get back to our regular programming, but this was important enough that I at least had to let you guys know. Long story short, as you might have already noticed, this channel is rebranding. Over the last few months, I've been introducing some new kinds of videos to this channel, and at first I thought it was because I was tired of Studio Pro, but that's not really it. Maybe I was just frustrated with some of the changes around it. I don't know. The truth is, I still really love this program. I've been using it for a really long time, over 10 years at this point. I still believe in it and I still enjoy teaching it. What I think I actually wanted was just an outlet to be creative in other ways, but my mistake was trying to force a square peg in a round hole. Looking back, this channel has always been its strongest when it's helping people with Studio Pro, and that makes sense because for the last several years, that's what most of you have subscribed for. And so that is what we're finally embracing. Moving forward, this channel will now be rebranded into Studio Pro with Ivan, and the goal is for it to be your #1 resource for everything Studio Pro. That means tutorials, tips and tricks, update coverage, news, honest thoughts on the software, and of course, beat making videos. Now, for anything outside of Studio Pro, I am starting a second channel, which will inherit this channel's old name, which is just my name, Ivan Calderon. That channel is where I'll be posting more producer lifestyle videos. So think like NAMM vlogs, sessions with artists, studio tours, interviews, workflow hacks, and of course, videos like the one I did with Trinity. So in summary, if you want a dedicated resource for all things Studio Pro, then this is where you want to be. And if you want more of just me and the projects that I'm involved in, then make sure to subscribe to that new channel as well. Anyway, I have a ton more videos coming to both channels, so stay tuned. Thank you for rocking with me. I truly do appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one.